some people says it's very small that you cannot put anything on it. Pero para sa akin, it's very nice. It's really good. I really love this bag kasi I can carry it anywhere I go. And then it's very nice kasi you can pair it with any clothes you have. And it's a white lambskin leather. And it has a gold hardware. See, it is Dior in here. And look at that. It's like this. And it's really good. And then they have something like this in here. So it's very easy to open. You don't need a zipper or any magnetic stuff. But I like the magnetic anyway. As you can see, magsusunset na dito kasi sa Singapore kasi almost 7 o'clock, 6:30 to 7 o'clock yung sunset. So, it's 6:51 na, magsa-7 na. Look at the sunset here. Magnetic anyway. So, I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag and what you can put inside. Kasi some people said, oh, it's so small, you cannot put anything on it kasi it's very small. But for me, I can put some stuff that I really need every day. So, I'm gonna show you this. And, okay, first thing first, I'm gonna show you my phone. You can put your phone. Okay, guys, you can put your phone, ha? And what else do we have here? And I have my curler kasi I always retouch my eyelashes. I always do it. I always curl my eyelashes whenever I go kasi just, so retouch. It's a girl thing. My wallet, of course, my wallet. You cannot go anywhere without wallet. And my small Chloe lotion. So, whenever I wash my hands, I always make sure that I have a lotion. Hindi siya magda-dry. And some cushion. Kasi minsan nag-oily yung face ko. Tapos parang nakakaya siya sa picture. So, I just bring this very little cushion. It's a Dior. Of course, you cannot go anywhere without a little perfume. So I have this. It's one of my favorite. It's Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Like that. Look at this. So cute, right? You can just put it in any bag. And of course, my Dior lipstick. It's a very small Dior lipstick. You can put anywhere. And then you can carry it along with you anywhere. So cute. It's one of my favorite color. And my lip maximizer, it's also from Dior. It's a small one. They gave it to me last Christmas. And I have 3 of this, so this one is the second piece. My YSL lipstick. This one, I use it more often than the red one. Kasi pag yung red one, very strong siya. Ano lang siya yan. So, the color is very nice. Floral pink. So, I really like it. So, mas kinagamit ko siya pang everyday look. Kasi whenever you go to office, parang pag super red ng lipstick mo, baka mapagalitan ka pa ng boss mo. And, Nana. Okay, we still have here. Syempre, if you are a girl, you cannot go out without a mirror. A little mirror. Okay, it can stand on its own. It's my favorite Louis Vuitton. Actually, kasama siya dun sa Twist ko na bag. So, I just put it whenever I change my bags. There's a logo here. I don't know if you can see. So, that's it. It's what's inside my bag. And, it comes along with this. It's a gold hardware with a leather strap, white leather strap, and it has a CD on this area. I don't know. And also here, there's also a C and D logo, which is a Christian Dior, stands for Christian Dior. It's really good. It just really comes along with this one. See, the color is really nice, and then the strap in here is also white, so you can carry it over, and you can just put it this way or any one you want. some design. Something like that. You could just put this inside. Look, oh, this is really good. Then, how do you like it? So, pwede mo siya style ng anything. Bala ka. Kasi parang pwede mo naman siyang gawin ng kahit na anong design. So, that's it. Okay guys, that's all for now. The beautiful sunset there. It's so beautiful. I really love it. Look at that. See? And I also have a nice view up here. That's why I really like this space here. It's my comfy space whenever I want to read a book or whatsoever, have a coffee. It's a Novena station. There's an MRT nearby.